Hey parents, this is Bhumika from JustToExceed.com, your parenting coach. Today I am going to talk about how we can inculcate a gratitude habit in our children. So to start with, let me share what exactly gratitude is. Once your child will start counting his blessings and he will focus more on what actually he has, and he will not focus on things which he do not have, is about gratitude. So let us see how we can inculcate this habit, and I have come up with 3 simple steps to do so. Let us see what these steps are. First step says that you should start talking with your child, because once you will start talking with your child, it will be easy for you to understand what actually is going on in their mind. I always focus on this point in all my videos, that talking is one of the most important thing, and it is a key in parenting. So once you will start talking with your child, you will get to know how he is accepting his failures, how he is accepting his success. Is he getting too proudy when he is getting good marks, or he is achieving a good result, or he is feeling depressed when he is not able to perform? Once you will able to understand his behavior, it will be easy for you to understand or to inculcate the kind of behavior, kind of parenting is actually needed. So whatever is your schedule, however busy you are, you should always talk with them on daily basis. Yes. So you can start talking with them over dinner table, or you can start talking before they go to bed. But yes, it is one of the most important thing, you should talk with your child. Now the second step says that you as a parent should be very calm. You should not panic if they are not able to perform, or they are not able to provide results as per expectations. Because once you will start accepting failures, it will be easy for your child to accept his failures. Because every child is unique, and every child has his own strengths and weaknesses. So we do not have to highlight their weaknesses here. We have to highlight his strengths, so that it is easy for him to accept his weaknesses. So you should start counting your blessing as his strength. Because I always say that parents are one of the first teacher of children. So the way you will behave, your child will also learn from you. So it is one of the most important things, one of the most important step in inculcating a gratitude behavior, that you should be grateful for things what he is able to do. So this is all a second step. And third step says that you should build 2 boxes, one for yourself and one for your child, and start dropping a gratitude note in a box on weekly basis. Once you will start this exercise, this is one of the very useful exercise, because maybe he is writing one thing which happened with him on in 10 days or in 7 days, but he will try to remember all those things, all those good things, and then he will sort out one thing out of those 10 things. So he will count his blessings, and he will just try to ignore, he will not count what actually did not happen with him in last 1 week. So these were the 3 simple steps. I hope these steps will be helpful to you. Before I end, I would like to say that before our kids are in their teen, we should start this habit, we should start this exercise, because once they will come in their teenage, it will be difficult for us to inculcate any good habit. And this gratitude also develops a positive attitude towards life, and it will be easy for them to accept their failures, their challenges in life, and they will have a courage to get up again if they fail. So this is all what I have to say. Try to follow these steps and do let me know how these things are working well with you or not. I will be definitely waiting for everyone's feedback. Thank you so much, and I will be coming up with my next video soon. Thank you so much.